Hello, everyone. I am back to get your votes. So, you know that in the past year, since Dreena's Kind Kitchen came out last year, I've been featuring recipes from each chapter every so often, like every month or so. I show you some recipes from one of the chapters, get your most popular pick out of the bunch, and I publish that recipe on my site. So, we're now in the mains chapter, and I have 3 recipes and I showed them on Instagram and Facebook in the past few weeks, and it's kind of close. So I want to get your votes right now. Okay. So you choose the recipe that gets like the most votes, the most attention. That's the recipe that I'm going to publish. So the first one is the Ultimac. Now, this is a plant-based mac or any pasta you want to use dish, real comfort food, not just plant-based, also nut-free, oil-free, and soy-free. So delicious, really comforting. The next one is a chickpeas satay casserole, and this one has like these beautiful curry flavors, and there's vegetables blended right into the sauce, and then it's baked up with chickpeas and other vegetables as well. And then you can serve that one with rice. My recipe testers loved that one. Well, they loved a lot of them. And then what was the last one I had here? Oh, yes, it was a burger. So the last one is the Bistro Burgers. And this is a bean-free veggie burger. So for those of you who maybe cannot eat legumes or you just want to switch things up, this is a veggie burger that does not use beans. So I actually have already a few other mains recipes from the book on my site because they were on there before the book was published. And I did publish one other when the book first came out, the Awakened Pad Thai. So pop over to my site to get that recipe and then vote. Drop your votes below. Which recipe is it going to be? Which one am I going to publish? The Bistro Burgers, the Ultimac, or the Chickpea Satay Casserole? Get your votes in and I will tally them up, and a recipe will be coming to the blog for you soon. Okay? I'll be back with more very soon, that recipe and some other stuff. Okay, bye.